Good morning, guys. This is vlog 32 and we're cooking kimchi gyoza. This one is available in Waltermart and in Royal Supermarket here in Subic. So we're going to cook this one and have a little Korean breakfast. Okay, what we're using is the tefal. Okay, check out the link below for getting the Tefal Steamer Pro. It's very easy. It's made of plastic, but it's very durable, high heat resistance, and multiple levels. So I'm fixing up the gyoza here and see how easy it is. So just set it up for 20 minutes. Okay, there's no voice over here and no music. YouTube usually takes out the music anyway, and my kitchen is not set up. It's outside the house, so easy sunny side up right here. I use a cup in order to separate the shells and pour it slowly over the pan. Okay, after the sunny side up, I then went on to create an omelette. It's a little harder to make this omelette. I take out the I turn off the stove before I place the mushrooms, the red bell pepper, and chopped onions to make the garden omelette. So once you manage to wrap it up, just make slow adjustments and then you can place it on the plate. And I made 2 garden omelettes, and it's very hard to do, but when you have abundant, yeah, there it is, red bell pepper, mushrooms, and onion. Of course, I roasted the tomatoes, yeah, and also the chicken nuggets. These are for the kids. I love to eat chicken nuggets too, but I want some variation for the kids. Yeah, roasted tomatoes, side dish. And then here I'm showing you, I'm using canola oil. Using a dispenser. And then this one is a chicken inasal oil. Very hard to buy, but it makes the rice yellow almost instantly. Yeah, not that instantly. Yeah, it's great for frying the rice. I placed egg and some bits of tocino. You can just set them aside. And then for my last dish, I made up the Shin Ramyun. I said madali or easy because Shin Ramyun is easy to cook. You just place everything in, mix it up for about 3 minutes, and then it's done. Okay, setting it up. And this is the garden omelette, chicken nuggets, roasted tomatoes. This one is the inasal rice and the kimchi gyoza for 20 minutes, steamed Shin Ramyun. It's perfect. It's perfect for. Tara, kain na. And this is Zero Melia for vlog number 32. We just did kimchi, and I just if you like this video, click subscribe and click the like button, click the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell for notifications. Anyway, this is Zero Melia MD. Thank you very much for watching and supportive of my creative efforts. Thank you, and have a nice day.